So, dude.
All
right, dude, hold up.
Taping a little bit more.
Let me see. Let me see.
See, this part's solid. Step on it. Step on it.
Oh yeah. Tape it more. Tape it more. Tape it more, guys.
Definitely. Tape it right here too.
Yeah, dude. Definitely tape it more.
But one was out tape.
I think you need to put more like strength right here too. Right here. Like right here. Put another
say
set.
now because we're running out of tape.
Huh?
So say something now because we're running out of tape.
Oh, bro, it's cool.
Because I was going to use the rest of the tape on that side.
We're going to definitely put it right there.
Right here?
Right here.
Right here?
Yep. Because that's where the break is. You want to put it all around the break. All around here. Right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can see this video getting like easily. You said 10 likes. I'm saying at least 50. Maybe 100.
Maybe 100.
Bro, yeah. It's definitely going to get 100. Bro,
especially if I bomb the hill.
Bro, we're restoring a little baby longboard.
It went X Games mode at one point.
Yeah, bro. X Games. That's how you use professional gear.
You feel me?
Look at those wheels.
Look at those wheels.
Yeah. Especially with this break it, bro. Like, you know what I mean? The snap. You definitely want to get that bad boy. This is gonna be a lot.
Oh shit. Bro,
why would you step on that part, bro?
Well, I got step on it. You can tell
Oh.
What you got doing?
Fuck!
Bro!
Who break the skateboard?
You just seen him break the skateboard. You watched him break the skateboard.
Hold up. Kickflip first try, y'all.
Oh yeah, kickflip.
First try.
You don't need this shit. We can still bomb the hill, y'all. Fuck.
Shit, hell no. Whoa.
Yeah, I got you.
Hold up. Whoa. Alright. Definitely not doing it today.
Whoop.
Oh, yeah.
Trashing this, bro.
Alright, let me show you how it's done.
Dude's gonna show y'all how it's done, y'all.
So you wanna put your do this? Thank you.
Alright guys, he definitely fucked up that board.
I'm telling you, we can go outside.
We're not skating anything today.
We're not. You broke the board.
Definitely not. Doodle's breaking shit.
This part right here is good though. This part right here is good.
Yeah, bro. Well, we got a balance board.
Yep, we do.
Yo, please back then.
That's all we can say about that. Now balance. Niggas can now balance while on board.
No, you can't. You just broke it again. Fat ass nigga. On the board.
Woo!
You just smacked it.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Yeah, you almost broke my trucks, bro.
Bro, we can buy another board. At least Lincoln isn't hurt, bro.
Hell no. Oh, God.
You know what I mean?
And that was my. And that was
What?
It was Clarice's skateboard.
Well, it'll be alright.
Stop.
Alright, guys, we're gonna end this video. Thank y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all so much.
Get off me, get off.
Love y'all. See y'all later. Y'all stay safe. Happy New Year. Stay up.
Stay up.